Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 26. 잠깐만 or 잠깐만, which means just a second in Korean. Again, 잠깐만 or 잠깐만 means just a second or just for a while in Korean. This is the informal casual version of 잠깐만요. How do you write 잠깐만 in Korean? This is composed of 3 syllables. The first syllable jam is written by drawing first a jiat character followed by an a character followed by a miam character. Second syllable kan is written by drawing first a sangyo character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. And the last syllable man is written by drawing first a miam character followed by an a character followed by a nian character. And that's how you write 잠깐만. And aside from 잠깐만, here are the other terms used to say just a second in Korean. So we have 잠깐만요, 잠시만요, and 잠시만. 잠깐만요 and 잠시만요 are both considered polite terms, meaning we can use this to say just a second to people that are older than us and to other people whom we wanted to be polite with. On the other hand, 잠깐만 and 잠시만 are both informal terms. And with that, you've just learned 잠깐만. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 16 to 25. But don't forget our word for today, word number 26, 잠깐만, which means just a second in an informal manner. The first word for our review is word number 25, 고마워요, which means thank you. Word number 24 is Chingu. This is the Korean noun for friend. Word number 23 is 그만해. This is used to say enough or stop it. Word number 22 is 좋다, which means good or great. Word number 21 is 감사해요, which is another way of saying thank you in Korean. Word number 20 is 감사합니다, which is another way of saying thank you in a formal manner. Word number 19 is 고맙다. This is another way of saying thank you in an informal manner. Word number 18 is 잘했어, which means stay well in an informal manner. Word number 17 is 잘가, which means go well in an informal manner. Word number 16 is Juseyo, which is used to say please or please give me in Korean. Congrats! Up next, on Dae-Hangul. We're going to study about the word 빨리. Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.